Hello everyone. Today we will be reviewing the book Action Research. It's of B.Ed Semester 2, Jammu University, Hindi medium, and it's of Vinod Publications. It's also a bestseller book. So let's review it. As I've told that it's written by Dr. R.K. Safaya, and the syllabus is mentioned here like unit wise, like unit 1 fundamental of research, characteristics, meaning, nature, scope and areas, then fundamental of action research, then unit 2 dynamics of action research in educational context, then unit 3 tools of action research, characteristics, uses and limitations. And now then contents are mentioned. If you can check, the contents should be similar to what the syllabus was. Like contents, first part fundamental of research 1 to 45 page, then second part fundamental of action research. We can also check that if it's same to the syllabus, first part was fundamental to research, fundamental of research, then second part is fundamental of action research, fundamental of action research. Even after that also, in unit 2 dynamics of action research in educational context, and the syllabus also it's written that dynamics of action research in educational context. And after on also the same things which are there in syllabus, it's there in contents. You can check when you will purchase the book also. So everything which was there in syllabus, it's there in content also. So it means that this book have everything covered in it. Now we have to check that whether the pages which are mentioned in the topics like 88 to 110 dynamics of action research in educational context, whether it's absolutely right or not, whether this in these pages the matter is available or not. Let me check. So page number 88 to 1110, we should be finding dynamics of action research. Let's check there is there or not. So in page 88, dynamics of action research, page 88, and it must be till 1110. So let me check whether it's till 1110 or not. So till start from page 88 and let's go to page 1110. Let's go to page 1110, and now on 1110 you will find the last thing on this topic, and then the next topic will start. So you can clearly tell that everything is completely mentioned and every topic is clearly mentioned in it. Whatever you want to find, you will find in it. So I think this book is highly recommendable. It's 249.50 rupees. It's on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it easily. You can purchase it on any bookstore near you. It's easily available to you. You can also check their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Also you can go to their website, Vinod Publications, www.vinodpublications.com, and in the last page of the book you can also check other books related to this B.Ed Semester Jammu only. So it's a cheap book of cheap price. It's a very good book having cheap price, 249.50 rupees. I think you must buy it. It's of it's having 150 pages, cover everything in which is there in the syllabus. I think you must buy this book, and I definitely recommend this book to everyone.